So our milestone for this week was pretty obvious, like we wanted to be done with our game completely. All of the team members have successfully completed their task. Gulrez is done with all of the screens and their integrations, the buttons and everything, they work fine. Mehreen is done with her player part and she's done with the file IO also. Everyone also helped with the integration of their work. Maria is done with the power-ups. She created a different factory for it and all of the power-ups work fine. Behjat is done with the um, obstacle part and she also made a factory for it, and she also helped with making up the sprites and the other work that was left. So like we worked together and we did all of that. For my part, what I did was that I created a GPA function which now displays your GPA at the end of the game on the win screen according to the score that you scored during the game. Also, I added sounds to our game. So now like if I run this, you can see there's and at the end of the game there is a GPA. So that was my part and everyone else will explain their part.
Hello, okay, so for the last update of the game, I have added a high score class. This now takes care of file input output. It stores a score in a text file, and if the current player score is greater than that score, it updates the text file, otherwise the overall best score is stored in the file. Other than this, there were no major changes. I just made the code more modular and cleaned it up a bit. So let's just see how the high score looks in gameplay. Okay, so we go to the win screen and we can see here that the current overall best is 7. So if you play the game and make a score higher than 7, it is going to update this file to show your score. Let's say we make 12 and it is now the current overall best. This is it for this week.
Hello, this is Bechet, and for my final milestone, what I did was, since I was done with all of my coding parts, so I started analyzing all of the design for our game. So I made all of the buttons that are going to be used. I made the splash screen as well. I made 2 other screens for the introduction. Apart from this, I also started work on the README file, which is required for the final submission. I did delete except the parts that the team lead had to do. That's the contribution from each member and the number of hours put in. Apart from that, I'm going to upload the final code. So I've also commented out. I've also put comments in my code analysis.
Hello, this is Maria, and my job for this milestone was to make sure that the Power Ups factory works properly. There were some changes made in the projectile from which the player's bullets will be created. The shield, the split shot power up, and the time bonus power up. And they all work properly now, as you will now be shown in their video. Okay, so this is the timer power up, and yes, the time has increased. So that works properly. But okay, so here it is.
Alright, so for this milestone I worked on finalizing all the screens and integrating it to the main code. Over here in the game manager class, in the initialization function, all the screens are set and all their functions are called. I did think about putting all of them in a screen pointer array, but the functions that are called are all different, so I'm not sure if that's the safe case or not. And down here in the handle screen events function, all of the screen events are being handled. The mouse checks are being checked, and the corresponding variables are set. In the rendered screens function, the current screen is checked and the corresponding screen is rendered onto the window. So I'm just gonna run the game and show you. This is a splash screen, stays on for like a few seconds. The introduction screen, you can start the game, you can show the instructions, you can continue. All of this works fine. You can pause the game, zoom it, pause has also been implemented perfectly fine. And the win and lose screens are there as well, so if you lose, but the lose screen you can try again, the game starts all over again. And the win screen is also implemented similarly. That is all for my part. Thank you.
So now we'll pretty much work on adding comments to our specific sections in the code and making our code more encapsulated and modular. And we will work on it to make it more consistent with the requirements that are asked for us. And hopefully you will like the game in the demo video.